Tips for a successful digital marketing strategy. Identify and understand your target audience. Before you start your digital marketing campaign, you need to identify and understand your target audience. This will help you to create content and messages that resonate with them. Doing market research and analyzing your competitors can also help you understand what type of messages may or may not work. Have a comprehensive digital marketing plan. It's important to have a comprehensive digital marketing plan that covers all your online activities and channels. Don't focus too much on one channel, but ensure that you're covering all of them. You should also ensure that your plan is aligned with your overall marketing strategy and goals. Leverage social media. Social media is a powerful tool for digital marketing, and it can be used to reach out to potential customers and engage with them. You should use social media to share content, interact with your followers, and build relationships. Utilize email marketing. Email marketing is still a great way to reach out to potential customers as it allows you to personalize messages and target specific audiences. You can use email to share content, promotions, and offers with customers. Utilize analytics. Analytics are essential for digital marketing as they allow you to track the performance of your campaigns and measure their success. You should use analytics tools to monitor your campaigns and optimize them for better results. Constantly evaluate your strategies. It's important to constantly review and evaluate your digital marketing strategies to ensure that they are working and delivering the desired results. You should also be open to testing out new strategies and trying different things to see what works best.